This is Chicken Knob, the North Ridge Trail. So you put in a Teton Canyon and you immediately head right, and you head up a really tight track through the skis and through the trees. Then right about here, you start hitting the meadows, and this kind of open through here until you get to this ridge. The ridge is not very prominent, but it offers some pretty sweeping views of the area. And they get to this large meadow, and this meadow is kind of a distinctive spot. This is kind of the top of this ridge. And from here, you follow through the trees a little bit. It's not very steep. And then you cross over to another ridge. And this actual meadow is visible from the valley below. From here, it gets really steep, and you follow a very tight ridge that gives you commanding views of the valley below until you get to the top. All in all, it's about 5 miles and about 2,600 vertical feet.
Awesome. Woo! You call, your call. Straight ahead, man. That's the end. Oh, wow. It's heavily flocked up here, isn't it? Yeah. Where was that really heavily flocked tree? Now, be careful of that, they'll catch you. Oh. You tired?
Yeah, a little bit.
You see them? You see the tracks?
Yeah.
Haha.